the Mediterranean is overfished. You don't get a lot of dolphins close to the shore anymore.
Where did you guys go? Come.
They're turning toward us.
Yeah. Oh, it's just there.
Are they here?
They're here, but we spooked them a little bit.
Yeah.
So we just have to be calm in the water and they might come back up.
Here we go.
Now, if you just go slow around them, water dolphins are really friendly.
Over there, yeah.
Yeah. So we'll just easily go and
Anyway, there's all directions.
they're leading us. They know where we're going.
Oh God, Ernest. I'm so emotional. This is the first time ever I've seen a dolphin.
You're filming it, right?
Yes.
I want that footage.
So I grew up in a city, and the maximum I've seen dolphins is in those stupid dolphin shows that I don't support at all.
See, now that we're going slow, they're swimming with us because that's what dolphins do.
Huge. It's on this side.
Oh, she's right under the water?
Yes. Ooh. Film this side. This side. You're gonna jump. It's huge. It's scary. I'm scared.
Swimming right there. See, now they're swimming with us. They know we're not a threat. They'll swim with sailboats a lot of the time.
Yeah.